Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be creating this really beautiful and classic reverse smoky eye using only Swiss Beauty cosmetics. I absolutely love Swiss Beauty as a brand because they offer some really high quality makeup products for a very affordable price. And recently, Swiss Beauty sent me a huge PR box and they sent me some very new makeup products that I haven't tried before. I thought of creating a very classic yet a very glamorous look for weddings, and this particular makeup look goes well with any outfit. It just looks really nice and elegant. If you want to see how I created this makeup look just using Swiss Beauty cosmetics, then please keep on watching. So first I'm going to start off with this Prime and Fine primer oil. Now this one is a very lightweight, dry sort of a primer oil. I just love using some kind of a, hydration to my face before. So this just gives a nice hydration to the face, and I'm just going to apply like 2 to 3 drops and massage all over my face, underneath my eyes, and also on my neck. This just like preps and hydrates our skin before makeup. So next I'm gonna take this Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminator. They have so many illuminating primers, but this is my absolute favorite. It has both golden and pink undertone, and the shimmers are very mild. So I like to use this on the highest points of my face and just massage it in. So next I'm going to be taking the Swiss Beauty concealer. This is such an amazing product for a very affordable price, and I'm going to first color correct my face on the areas where I want more coverage. That is where I'm using this product. That is underneath my eyes, around my mouth, and also on the areas where I have some marks and stuff, to just like color correct and make my skin like more even tone. And with the help of this brush, I'm just going to blend everything out. Again, this concealer is so nice. It blends out really well, and it's very creamy. So next I'm going to take the Perfect Match Panstick from Swiss Beauty. Now I don't know what exactly this product is, whether it's a concealer or a foundation, but I just went ham with this one and I used it all over my face. Now as you all can see, this is very light on my skin tone, but yet it's blending out so well into my skin. This is one of the issues with Swiss Beauty, because they don't have that many complexion products, especially for tan and dusky skin tones. But other than that, I really like this product, and that's why I had to like also take it on my neck, on my ears, so everything looks like even toned, and it doesn't look like I have a different skin tone on my face, on my neck. But all in all, I really like it. And lastly, I'm just going to take a beauty blender. I'm just going to blend everything out so it removes any of the brush strokes. And to set everything in place, I'm going to take this Swiss Beauty loose powder. Now, oh my god, I really love this packaging. Swiss Beauty makes such nice like high-end looking products. Like I really like it. Now I'm just going to apply this all over my face to set all of my concealer, my the base products in place so it doesn't move. This just like blurs out my face and makes it look very smooth. So that's why I absolutely love this powder very much. And for my eyebrows, I have this Swiss Beauty like eyebrow palette. You can see they have 3 products and 1 wax. It also comes with a brush, and I'm first going to take the darkest one to do the tail of my brows, and then I'm taking this medium brown to fill the front part of my brows, so it just gives a nice ombre effect. And then for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking this particular palette from Swiss Beauty, and oh my god, this has such a beautiful array of like colors to choose from. But I just wanted to create a nice simple classic look, and that's why I'm going with brown shade in my transition. And I'm just going to first apply this in my crease and my outer V, and I'm also going to apply this on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take this dark brown from the palette, and I'm just going to intensify my outer corners to give that definition to my eyes. Next, I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty kajal, and I'm just going to apply it on my lower lash line as a kajal. So since we're going with reverse eyeliner look, just do a very thick liner. And I'm also going to slightly do the wing. And next for my mascara, I'm going to be taking this Lash Look mascara from Swiss Beauty, and this is really nice. The packaging looks stunning, and it just like coats my lashes, gives them volume, but it doesn't lengthen my lashes, but gives a beautiful volume to my lashes. So that's why I really like this product. And then I'm going to take the liquid eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply this on the inner parts of my eyes to give that oomph to my eye look. Now you can totally skip this if you don't like glitters, but I just thought this look needed some glam, and that's why I'm using it. Oh my god, I just love these single liquid glitters from Swiss Beauty. They're just amazing. And then I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to create a very thin line along my lash band, so when we apply lashes, the skin doesn't peek through. And next for my lashes, I'm going to be using these 3D Studio Effect lashes, and these are again very comfortable, very nice. It just perfect perfectly fits my eyes. And to contour my face, I'm going to use the same the brown shade that we use for our transition. Now I didn't have any separate product for like bronzing my face or contouring my face, so that's why I'm doing this using the same the transition brush that we use for our eyes. And then I'm going to take a bigger brush and start like contouring and bronzing my face. So just doing the usual things on the usual areas, just to define my cheekbones, my forehead. I'm also going to apply this on my chin to define my chin. And for my blush, again, I'm going to use the same palette and take that coral shade and just apply on top of my bronzer to add some color to my face. And again, I'm going to apply this on my cheeks, a little bit on my nose, and also a little on my forehead and my chin, so everything looks very cohesive. And lastly, for my lips, I'm going to take this Swiss Beauty lipstick. Oh my god, this is in the shade Brandy Harrington. It's such a pretty color. I absolutely like it. It's so creamy and just glides on so smoothly. And look at that, it just ties everything together. And to set all of my makeup in place, I'm going to be taking this makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. Again, it has really strong that alcohol scent, but makeup lasts very long, so that's why I really like it. And lastly, to just highlight my face, I'm going to be using this stick highlighter from Swiss Beauty. Again, it's such a easy product. Like stick products are very easy. It's very creamy, and it's not like like very ultra skin like. If you come under fair to medium skin tones, you will absolutely love this because it just like complements fair to like medium skin tones really well. But still, I really like this color. It's very pretty. And lastly, I'm just going to dust some powder all over my face, so my face looks very fresh and nice, and it just looks very seamless. And yeah guys, that completes the look. I'm back with some jewelry. I changed my outfit. I just like I'm wearing this beautiful floral sari, and yeah, I really love how this makeup look turned out. And as I said before, you can totally pull this look off on any outfit. This is such a classic look. I absolutely love it, and I hope you guys also enjoyed today's video. If you did, then do take a moment to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah, I'll catch you all next time with another interesting one. Until then, you all know the drill. Keep slaying. Mwah. Bye guys.